everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can create your own printable journal pages. So first of all, why would you even want to create your own journal printables, or any types of printables for that matter? Well, I think there's a couple reasons for this, and I'm going to go over them right now. The first one is you can make your own custom products. So this is the main reason why I started making my own printables, because I wanted journals that were, the way I wanted them to be. I was kind of sick of buying them and having all these pages that I didn't want to use, and not enough pages of the ones I wanted, not enough space to write. And so I just, I love journals and I buy them still, but I always have problems with something about them, and that's why I always fall back on making my own, because when you can make them yourself, you can make them exactly how you want them to be. They sell really well on Etsy. This is something I started doing a couple years ago, and this is how I make a couple $100s a month. And who couldn't use a couple $100s a month, right? And printables sell really well because they're easy to download, they're inexpensive. Most of my products are only $3 or $4. Some of them are a little less than 10, but those are the bigger pages, the ones that have more pages. You can also sell, which I'll be getting into later in this video, but you can also create and sell any type of printable, not even journal related ones, but ones that are like printable invitations or printable signs, printable stickers, things like that. So I'm just going to focus on the journals for this video since this is a journaling channel. However, I'm going to go over all the other things you can make as well that are also printables. Every business needs them. So when you think about businesses, and this is why Etsy is such a great place to sell them, because I've had so many coaches that purchase my printables, because most of my printables are related to health. They are related to holistic wellness, and so a lot of coaches buy those. And also a lot of businesses that need to schedule like appointments, or anybody that has a to-do list, anything like that. So any type of business you can think of probably needs printables. You can save money if you have the information and just need the product. This is another reason why I like making them, because in my other business, which is about health, I have all the information. So you can save money if you have the information already and you just want to make the product. So like I have a lot of variety of things that I make, and so whatever my need is, I just take the information, put it into a product, make it myself, and I've got it. So what are some printables you can create and sell? Here is just a small list, but of course I could be going at this for hours if I was going to talk about all of them. So there's journals, of course, planners, workbooks, checklists, homeschooling pages, art prints, those are really popular on Etsy, calendars, greeting cards, meal planning, signs, handouts, binder inserts. Really, the sky is the limit. Anything you want to create and print. Like right now, you're probably thinking of all the things that you use in your daily life that are print, like you print them off the internet, or even just, things that you might buy that you print. Anything. So many things. Like one of my latest products that I made is a herb chart, like a herb reference chart, so that people that are cooking can look at it and see what the most common herbs are, what their flavor is, what foods they go in, and a little picture to show what they look like. Things like that even. There's, like I said, the sky is the limit. So I have a course called PowerPoint Printables that teaches you how to do this, and I will leave a link down below in the description so that you can check that out if you want. It's pretty inexpensive because I spent probably thousands of dollars learning how to do this in various courses, but this course is currently, I think it's like $65, but Udemy has sales all the time, so they knock it down to like $10, so you might be able to get it really cheap. So you can check that out if you're interested in making your own printables. I go through everything in the course, exactly how to use obviously it's using PowerPoint, but you can tell by the name. But you can use any program that you want. A lot of people use Canva or InDesign, but this program that I am teaching in this video, in this course, is PowerPoint, because most people have PowerPoint on their computers. It's very inexpensive to have if you wanted to get it. It's very easy to learn. I learned it in like a week or two, and that is so much easier than InDesign. I tried using InDesign and I didn't like it at all. It was too complicated. And I also don't like Canva, because with Canva you only have certain options when it comes to what you want to use, and it's also, there's this weird thing where you can't sell your things that you make on Canva unless it's either the ones that you pay for or something. It's a confusing thing that I don't even want to learn to understand. I would rather just use a program that whatever I create I can sell, and I don't have to worry about any problems with that. So in the course I talk about how to do that with PowerPoint, how to sell them on Etsy, how to put them up on Etsy, and even how to use Pinterest, because Pinterest is one of the biggest ways to promote your printables for Etsy. It's a great combination. So if you are wondering, why would I mean, I get why printables are cool and everything, but I want to see a little more. Well, I've got a couple videos here that go more into depth about printables and why I love them so much. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.